Are you torn between your love for adventure and your desire for comfort? Do you yearn for the thrill of the great outdoors, but also appreciate the snug embrace of your Tesla Model Y? Well, fear not, fellow travelers, because a solution has emerged from the land of hobbits and breathtaking landscapes. New Zealand? Yes, you heard it right. A Kiwi startup has concocted a cunning contraption to coax even the most reluctant city slickers out into the wild unknown. Behold, the ingenious sleeper platform for your Tesla Model Y. Picture this. You're cruising down the highway, the wind in your hair, or through your windows if you're sensible, and suddenly, the call of adventure beckons. With a flick of the wrist, your humble Model Y transforms into a micro-home on wheels, ready to provide respite from the urban jungle. Now, I know what you're thinking, but isn't this just another one of those over-the-top camper kits? Ah, my skeptical friend, allow me to assuage your doubts. This isn't some clunky monstrosity that turns your sleek SUV into a lumbering behemoth. No, this is a practical, no-nonsense solution for those who prefer their adventures with a side of convenience. Gone are the days of sacrificing precious cargo space for bulky camping gear. With the Teraglide sleeper platform, you can have your cake and eat it too, figuratively speaking, of course, because who eats cake while camping? Simply fold up the rear seats, slide in the lightweight platform, and voila! You've got yourself a cozy bed for two, complete with detachable wings for that extra bit of wiggle room. But wait, there's more. The clever design not only provides a comfy sleeping arrangement, but also doubles as a storage space. Say goodbye to rummaging through the depths of your trunk for that elusive flashlight or granola bar. With the Teraglide platform, everything has its place, thanks to the nifty two-tier storage system and slide-out tabletops. And fear not, DIY novices, for assembly is a breeze. No need to break out the power tools or consult a manual thicker than a George R.R. Martin novel. With just a little elbow grease and a helpful companion, you'll have your micro-home up and running in no time. Now, I know what you're thinking, but how much will this marvel of modern engineering set me back? Well, prepare to be pleasantly surprised. At a mere $850 for the base model, and $970 if you fancy a self-inflating memory foam mattress thrown into the mix, this is a steal compared to the exorbitant prices of traditional camper kits.